Welcome back to the News Hub here at WSJ Live. I'm Simon Constable. Should the US force China to play fair on trade? The Wall Street Journal Assistant Managing Editor John Bussey joins us now to talk about a theory known as reciprocity. And he's with me on the set. John, you've got your column, The Business, which I have read, and it's wonderful. Reciprocity, what does that mean? Apart from being tricky to pronounce.
Yeah, it's not really so much a theory as it's in practice, right? So you have a trade agreement, and there's reciprocity in that both sides, to mutual interests, agree on terms. So you lower your tariffs here, they lower their tariffs there. That's kind of what informs a lot of the WTO and our general trade agreements. What we don't really have with China is a similar governance of investment in each other's country. Yeah. So there's we're talking about direct investment in plants and equipment. That's right, foreign direct investment. So you might go in and you might buy a Chinese company, or you might build something on a greenfield. Well, this is kind of coming up now because China's investment in the U.S. is rising rather sharply and quickly as their state-owned enterprises go out across the world and they are interested in being in the U.S. market. And U.S. companies are still complaining that there are all sorts of reviews and restrictions and licenses that they have to get when they want to invest in China that blocks their way.
So this is important for capitalism as a whole, because in order for the financial system and the trade system to work, you not only have to have trade in goods and services that's free, or as free as possible, but trade in capital, and we're talking about the capital here, right?
That's exactly right. Yeah. And particularly now, right, in the U.S., we're looking for job growth. What better way than to have a foreign country come in and invest, buy something or build something here and employ people? The problem is that those American companies are frustrated in the China market. And so some are arguing that we should perhaps limit Chinese investment in the U.S. as a way of kind of forcing them to open their market further.
And it could end in a trade war. And you explain that beautifully in your column, which will be out in tomorrow's Wall Street Journal. Always a pleasure.
Yep,
John Bussey, Assistant Managing Editor here at the Wall Street Journal.